Hey, it's Christian there.
Yeah, it's him.
Hey, Christian, this is RJ Bates calling about your property there in Woodbine. I think you spoke to Mar about it a little bit ago. I think probably about a week ago. He said that you might be interested in selling that property.
Right now, a buddy of mine actually has it listed.
Okay, so you are trying to sell it.
At the moment, yeah, he has it up to, see what somebody offers.
Awesome. How much are you looking to get for it?
Right now, he has it up at 99.
Well, damn. I wish you had answered the phone last week. You told us 70.
What's that?
I said you told us 70 a week ago.
I mean, I would take 70 depending on how fast you could close.
Well, let's see here. Let's see. Well, it's New Jersey, so we gotta wait on the powers to be with all their stuff to make sure that we can clear title and get title insurance, stuff like that. So as fast as I can close.
Easy for you also, because my brother owns a title company up here in New Jersey.
Does he?
He does.
All right. Let's see. Hold on a second. I clicked on the wrong damn website and it's slowing me down. So what all needs to be done to it? Because you told us that you were going to sell it as is. So I'm assuming it needs some work, right?
It's five acres. The house is gutted. Needs to be put back together.
Does it have any like electrical, plumbing?
No, everything's been removed.
Everything. Okay.
It's ready for a whole redo.
Okay. Bear with me. I clicked on realtor.com to see your listing and it just shut down my internet. All right, there we go. So what's your situation? Why are you looking to get rid of it so fast?
Too many. I'm really looking to get rid of it fast. That's why I've been sitting on this for a while. Got a lot of projects on the ticket.
You do this for a living?
I do.
Nice. Where all do you buy?
Mainly New Jersey, Pennsylvania. But we buy them, we rehab them, we sell them. And I also have a custom construction company where we build all the houses on the beach here in southern New Jersey. And right now my ticket is filled. So that house is just sitting there. It's going to be a little while before I get to it.
I got you. How many square feet is the property?
The house?
Yeah.
Shit. Off the top of my head, probably about 22 to 2,400.
Okay. And what because you do this for a living, I'm assuming you already knew what your rehab budget was going to be on it. So was it going to be like 100?
Yeah, about 100, 120.
And you said how many acres does it have?
5. 4. I think it's 4.97 or something like that.
Why do I have information? It says it's a 21,000 square feet. Where did that?
That would probably just be based off the first floor. It's actually, so it's 2-story house, but it's actually 3 stories. It's a staircase to what you could consider the attic, but the attic is large enough with headroom enough to be a 3rd story for bedrooms. So it would really be a 4-2.
Okay, but does that have to be like finished out? Because it wasn't a part of that, like it needs to be permitted to be livable square footage, right?
It is livable. It would be permitted to be livable square footage. It would meet all code requirements.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It has the headroom space. It has the egress. It has an actual staircase to it. So by their codes in Dennis Township, it'd be okay to do that.
And then the bottom is what, a basement?
No, it's on a crawl space.
Gotcha.
So you would have living room, dining room, kitchen on the first floor. You would have 2 bedrooms on the 2nd floor with a bath, and then 2 bedrooms on the 3rd floor.
I mean, 70,000 doesn't seem like seems like a pretty reasonable price for this. Seems like there's plenty enough room for me to come in and do what you were going to do.
Yeah, that's why I threw a fair number out there.
Yeah. I mean,
the guy who has the listing now, he's a personal friend of mine.
So you could just cancel that listing with him?
I could, but it all depends on. I'm not really in a rush to sell it or close it.
Right.
My brother and him have been hounding me to just see what happens and list it, so I let him list it. I've been sitting on that property for five or more years.
Jeez.
Yeah, I acquire things, and
right.
Sometimes they just link here.
Is that just further away from you than the rest of them?
No. With the custom construction company, we are booked for the next 2.5 years, so that's the breadwinner.
Yeah,
that's high dollar stuff. So these are more like pet projects. So they get shoved to the back burner, and that one just every time it comes back up again, it gets pushed back to the back of the list.
You own it free and clear?
Yes.
Would you sell it finance?
Maybe. What do you got?
I don't know. I mean, anytime somebody owns it free and clear, I mean, if it saves me $70,000, had to come out of pocket, I mean, it's an opportunity. It might be something that we might want to do, but realistically, with the amount of work that needs to be done, I mean, we're going to be investing more money in rehab than we are to buy the property. So
yes, you are.
It's almost more beneficial to get a loan where it includes the rehab than it is seller finance. Now that I'm thinking about it, unless I went straight private money. If I went straight private money, then I could just get the private money for the rehab and have you carry the note on the front end.
Yeah. I'm familiar with how that works. We do that kind of shit also.
Right.
Possibly. Where are you guys based out of?
I'm in Fort Worth, Texas.
Oh, damn.
Yep. We do stuff all over the place, though. So, I mean, you actually.
You're just going for an 817 number. Yeah, that makes sense.
Funny enough, I've been trying to buy this house from you since 2020.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I've been tracking your ass for a while now. So yeah, well, I mean, honestly, I think I'm good with to pull the trigger 70,000 and just do it cash. If you're good with that, and then what I can do is I can send you over a purchase agreement for it, and then I just need to get my guys out there to go take a look and just verify that we can get this done for 125. But I mean, it sounds like you literally are a builder, so you know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's about all she would take there. I mean, you don't do anything fancy in that area, and you probably get her back out in, I don't know, 260, 280 range.
Yep.
Maybe even more, because there's not much going on down there as far as houses on the market.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I mean, when I pull my comps here, I'm going out. I'm like, okay, I'm a mile out. I could go, say I go 2 miles out. I've still only got 3 properties sold. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, I mean, there's not a whole lot of activity. So,
and stuff hitting the market turnkey down there goes pretty quick. We're all over the place down there. North Cape May, Courthouse, Billis, all those areas are hot.
Yep. All right. Well, how about this? Can you just text me over your email address, and then I can send you over an agreement for the 70,000?
Yeah, we'll take a look at it.
Awesome, man. But yeah, send it over to me. I'll get that out to you today. Okay.
All right on.
Appreciate you.
Thanks.
Bye-bye. Who was it? The guy that said I wouldn't get New Jersey? That's a $70,000 property in New Jersey. From good old cold calling.